Skip the usual checklist. Singapore is where futuristic skylines, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering street food come together in one incredible city. In just 7 days, you can ride from the cloud forests of Gardens by the Bay to the thrills of Sentosa Island, then wander into colorful streets of Little India or Chinatown for unforgettable flavors. Whether you're chasing sunsets from Marina Bay sands or spotting wildlife on a night safari, this city delivers it all. Let's dive into a week full of sights, tastes, and surprises in Singapore. Planning the perfect time to explore Singapore? Aim for the months between February and April, when the weather is less humid and rainfall is lighter, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. While the city welcomes visitors all year with its tropical warmth, avoiding the rainier season from November to January means fewer disruptions. For those craving festive vibes, visiting during Chinese New Year or Deepavali adds a colorful cultural twist to your trip. A 7-day trip to Singapore can cost around $700 to $1,000 per person. Budget stays range from $25 to $50 per night, while mid-range options are $80 to $150. Public transport is cheap, about $20 to $30 for the week. Enjoy meals at hawker centers for just $4 to $6. And many attractions like Gardens by the Bay or Sentosa offer options from free to paid, keeping things flexible without overspending. Kick off your Singapore adventure by exploring the iconic Marina Bay area, where the futuristic skyline and waterfront views set the tone for the week. Start with the Merlion Park, a symbol of the city, and enjoy the views of Marina Bay Sands just across the water. From here, walk about 15 minutes to reach Art Science Museum, a stunning lotus-shaped building offering interactive exhibitions blending art and tech. Around midday, head to Lau Pa Sat, just 10 minutes by MRT, and savor a plate of beef, satay, or roti prata for lunch. After the break, continue to the stunning Gardens by the Bay, just 10 minutes from Marina Bay by MRT or taxi. Explore the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome, 2 cooled conservatories filled with rare plants and immersive features. As evening arrives, take the elevator up to the Marina Bay Sands Sky Park for sweeping city views. Watch the Spectra Light and Water Show from the promenade below to end your day with magic. Stay nearby in the Marina Bay area for easy access to attractions and seamless travel for the next day. Begin your second day with a visit to Singapore Botanic Gardens, the country's first UNESCO World Heritage Site. Just a 20-minute MRT ride from Marina Bay, this lush oasis offers a peaceful start with its National Orchid Garden and wide walking trails. Spend your morning strolling through its tropical landscapes before heading to Orchard Road, located just 10 minutes away by train. This world-famous shopping district is packed with modern malls, international brands, and sleek architecture. Grab lunch at a nearby food court and try a flavorful bowl of laksa, a spicy noodle soup with coconut milk. In the afternoon, make your way to the National Gallery Singapore, about 15 minutes by MRT, where you'll discover Southeast Asia's largest public collection of modern art, housed in a beautifully restored colonial-era building. As sunset approaches, take a leisurely walk through the nearby Esplanade area, known for its striking durian-shaped design and arts performances. Enjoy dinner by the waterfront, perhaps trying char kway teow, a smoky stir-fried noodle dish. Stay in the Orchard or Civic District for convenience and quick connections to tomorrow's destinations. Dive into adventure on day 3 by heading to Sentosa Island, just a 20-minute ride from Orchard Road by MRT and Sentosa Express. Begin with thrills at Universal Studios Singapore, where exciting rides and themed zones bring movies to life. Afterward, unwind at Siloso Beach, soaking up the sun or trying water activities like paddleboarding. For lunch, indulge in chili crab, a local seafood favorite known for its rich, tangy sauce served with fried buns. In the afternoon, visit the SEA Aquarium, one of the world's largest, showcasing thousands of marine species in spectacular underwater habitats. As evening falls, catch the mesmerizing Wings of Time outdoor night show, featuring water, laser, and fire effects on the beach. Return to the mainland and stay near Vivo City or Harbourfront for easy access to Sentosa and the rest of Singapore. This day mixes fun, relaxation, and iconic experiences that capture the island city's vibrant spirit. Step into Singapore's rich cultural tapestry on day 4 by exploring 3 vibrant neighborhoods. Start your morning in Chinatown, a lively district full of colorful shop houses and bustling markets. Visit the impressive Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and sample a refreshing cup of teh tarik, a popular pulled tea. From Chinatown, it's a short 10-minute MRT ride to Little India, where you can wander through fragrant spice shops and admire the ornate Sri Veeramakaliamman temple. For lunch, enjoy a flavorful plate of fish head curry, a beloved South Indian dish rich in spices and coconut milk. Afterward, take the MRT for about 15 minutes to Kampong Glam, the historic Malay Muslim quarter. Explore the striking Sultan Mosque and browse the boutique stores along Haji Lane. As evening approaches, try some mee goreng, a spicy fried noodle dish, at a nearby hawker center. Spend the night in a centrally located hotel or guest house near these cultural hubs to fully soak in the vibrant atmosphere and prepare for the next day. Immerse yourself in Singapore's wild side on day 5 with a visit to the famous Singapore Zoo, located about 30 minutes from downtown by taxi or shuttle. Wander through spacious habitats that allow close encounters with incredible animals, and catch one of the daily animal performances that are both educational and entertaining. For lunch, savor Hainanese pork rice, a flavorful local favorite found at nearby hawker stalls, offering a delicious taste of authentic Singaporean cuisine. In the afternoon, explore River Wonders, a unique river-themed wildlife park home to giant pandas, otters, and rare aquatic creatures that showcase biodiversity from rivers around the world. As evening descends, experience the extraordinary night safari, the world's first nocturnal zoo, where you can ride a tram through different habitats and observe animals active after dark in their natural environments. This captivating adventure offers a rare glimpse into wildlife behavior at night, unlike any other zoo experience. After a day filled with unforgettable wildlife moments, unwind in comfortable accommodation either near the zoo or back in the city, ready to recharge for the next adventure ahead. Day 6 invites you to unwind and enjoy some of Singapore's best shopping and green spaces. Start your morning at Orchard Road, the city's premier shopping belt, where sleek malls and flagship stores offer everything from luxury brands to the latest tech gadgets. After a few hours of browsing, head to a nearby food court and try popia, a fresh spring roll filled with a mix of vegetables and savory sauces, perfect for a light and tasty lunch. In the afternoon, head to Mount Faber Park, about 15 minutes away by car, where you can take a scenic walk, enjoy panoramic views of the city skyline, and even ride the cable car to Sentosa for a quick aerial adventure. As the day winds down, visit the picturesque McRitchie Reservoir Park, where you can enjoy a calming walk along the treetop suspension bridge surrounded by tropical rainforest. Finish the evening with a relaxed dinner of mee siam, a tangy and spicy rice noodle dish, at a hawker center nearby. Choose accommodation near Orchard or the city center for easy access to tomorrow's activities. On your final day in Singapore, dive into the city's charming hidden gems before you depart. Start at Tiong Bahru, a hip neighborhood known for its Art Deco architecture and cozy cafes. Explore its indie bookstores and vibrant murals while enjoying a cup of kopi, the local strong coffee served sweet and creamy. Next, head to Joo Chiat, a colorful area celebrated for its Peranakan heritage and beautifully preserved shophouses. Wander through the streets to admire intricate tiles and sample kueh lapis, a layered steamed cake that's a sweet treat to wrap up your food journey. If time allows, take a peaceful stroll at the nearby East Coast Park, a popular spot for relaxation by the sea. Before you leave, grab one last delicious bite of iced gula melaka, a refreshing dessert made with palm sugar syrup and coconut milk. Finish your trip feeling connected to Singapore's rich culture and modern vibe, ready for your next adventure. Thanks for joining this 7-day journey through Singapore's amazing mix of modern sights, culture, and flavors. From Marina Bay's skyline to Sentosa's thrills and vibrant neighborhoods, there's something for everyone. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. Let me know in the comments which part of Singapore excites you most. Safe travels, and see you next time.